Hey everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso, and in this video, we're going to be covering all the side steps and rock slider options for the brand new Ford Bronco, and there's a lot to choose from. We went to SEMA 2021 and we hunted down over 20 different manufacturers, all making some sort of an option for this brand new application. And we will put links to these products in the descriptions because there's so many, we're not going to be able to dive into all the deep detail that we normally do. But if you have more questions, check out those links and or hit us up on live chat or call us toll free. Now, there's a lot of things to consider when you're looking for steps or rock sliders. Number one is, do you just need it to be a step? You just need to get in and out, but you're not going to do a lot of hardcore off-roading, and you're not worried about banging it on anything. Do you need it to just be a rock slider? You don't care about having a step, but you want to protect the Bronco from hitting things on the trail, or do you need it to actually perform both of those functions? You also want to make a decision about whether you want steel, the strongest option, but heavy, or do you want aluminum? Doesn't matter how strong it is, it's more than strong enough to support your weight, and it's light. Now, usually when you're looking at this product, you also would have to decide, do you want frame mounted or pinch weld mounted? And in this case, with the Bronco, all the manufacturers we talked to agreed that they didn't want to tap into the frame because there's some NVH features in there, which is noise, vibration, and harshness, as well as some electrical wiring running through the frame that they did not want to mess with, and they all agreed that the pinch weld is more than strong enough. Let's start with the star of the show, and that was the product from Rockslide Engineering. We found this on more builds than any other product out there for very, very good reason. Now, this is a combination rock slider and power retractable step that's stainless steel on the outside and aluminum components on the inside, so it's strong where it needs to be and light where it counts. It's also all going to resist corrosion. Now, when you open that door, that step drops down a full 12 inches, making this the lowest drop step we've ever seen and making it easy to get in and out of any Bronco. Then when the step is up, it's a nice low-profile rock slider that can stand up to moderate trail duty. And if you know you're going to be even more hardcore than that, they're going to sell an optional skid plate. Now, this product is expensive. It's going to set you back a little bit over $2,000, but this is a product that is going to stand the test of the time, and it's the best of all worlds. Havoc Offroad introduced a set of full functional steps and rock sliders. These are a tubular steel construction that has a lower bar as a rock slider and then an upper bar that they put a plate across that acts as a full functional step. They make them for 2-door and 4-door, and they cost between $500 and $600, and they're powder coated black. They'll stand up to the trail punishment, and they're a great value. Havoc Offroad is also one of the only companies that we found that was making a tubular style off-road door for the Bronco, and it's made out of 1 1/4 inch tubular steel, powder coated black, and it uses a rotary latch for secure and rattle-free operation. And it's going to set you back about $600 for a 2-door and a little over $1,100 for a 4-door. The next option comes from N-Fab, and they've been making drop steps for over 20 years. Very popular brand on any make and model. And this is the traditional N-Fab drop step style. It's got a little grip plate for traction, and they make a nice angle to the drop step so that if you do drag it across anything on the trail, it'll typically slide over. You get a little bit of both functionality and form. We also don't have pricing on it, but ADD made a very, very low profile rock slider, and we're expecting in the future that they'll make a step as well. And in our friends over at Fab Fours, they didn't release their product in time for SEMA, but we'll expect to be seeing steps and rock sliders from Fab Fours as well. Dee Zee brought a really unique product to the market where it's a actual rock slider, but it has a channel rail that you can insert a step into, and you can actually choose the position of the step all along that rail. So you can put the steps anywhere you want them and then take them back off so that you have a rock slider. So this is a combination of both products. This is made out of steel. We don't have pricing on this just yet, but that should be coming very soon. ARB came to market with their rock slider, and it has a really cool brushed metal insert that has their logo on it that looks fantastic and really matches the new bumper that they've introduced. Now, this is intended to be a rock slider, but the step does come out a little bit at an angle, so you could probably put your foot on there and use it should you need to. Warn has also come to market with a bunch of new bumpers for the Bronco and a complimentary side step that has removable steps. So it's a rock slider and it has functional steps. When those functional steps are on though, you can see they're pretty sharp angle. You wouldn't want to catch those on anything accidentally. Go Rhino's also introduced their Vertex V3 oval style aluminum bars. Now these are just steps. They're not going to stand up to hitting anything on the trail, and the brackets stick down pretty low. Now these actually cost $700 all told installed, and to be honest, we think that's priced a little bit high for something that's not going to take a beating on the trail. Go Rhino also introduced their Dominator Extreme DSS steps, which are steel and are meant to be a little bit more of an off-road approach, and those are only going to be about $530. Still not sure about whether or not that's a rock slider, but it is going to be a little tougher and remain a functional step. Westin Automotive has introduced 4 different types of steps for the Bronco, starting with their XDS Rock Sliders. Now, these are what they say they are. They are just a rock slider, although they do stick out about 2 to 2.5 inches, enough just to put your toe on there as a slight functional step, but it really is intended to be a rock slider, and it's made out of steel, so it's tough. They've also introduced their Outlaw tubular style steel steps, which is a 6-inch drop step. It's got a rounded style, so it's got that nice clean look, but it's mostly a fully functional step. Although it is made out of steel, would expect it to be pretty tough. They also introduced their HDX drop steps. Now, these are made out of aluminum and have a much more angular design, and this is meant to complement their HDX front and rear bumpers. Again though, aluminum, not gonna be that tough and pretty sharp edges, so if you want a rock slider, this is not the primary choice. And lastly, they made their Grate step. Now, this is for those that find themselves in a lot of mud and want a proper running board. This is gonna run the full length, and it's gonna have a nice 6-inch wide step that's gonna give you a huge platform to step on, but not something you wanna bang into anything on the trail with. 4WP Factories also introduced their combination tubular and sheet style to match their bumpers, and this is going to actually function as a rock slider and a fully functional step, though it doesn't have the most ground clearance of some of the options that we've talked about here. This will set you back between $800 and $900 for a set of these. For those that like the idea of a powered retractable step but don't need the Rockslide Engineering rock slider features as well, check out the Aries Actiontrac. These are only going to set you back around $1,400, and they're going to have an 8-inch drop retractable step that moves quickly right when you open that door and retracts as soon as you close it, and it's tucked up and out of the way enough for light trail use. Expedition 1 has also introduced a really nice tubular style slider and step combination that is a full functional step that can stand up to the punishment of the trail. It also features a really nice stainless steel tread plate that runs the length of the car and has a nice emblazoned logo. Looked really sharp. Bodyguard has introduced their box style slider and step. It sits at a 25-degree angle, so it serves as a rock slider, but it's also a nice functional step, and the design of it matches their front and rear bumpers with that cool studded look that they have. Now, this is a solid bar that retails for $1,250, making it the most expensive non-powered step on this list. And a few more honorable mentions came from brands like Baja Forged, DV8 Offroad, Z-Roads, and RTR, but we didn't have any pricing information available for that yet. As we said, we'll put links in the description as more information is available, so make sure to check there. All right, that's all the steps and rock sliders you need to know about. Hopefully you found that helpful. Now you got to get a set of matching front and rear bumpers to go with your steps. So head on over and watch our video about all the bumpers that we found at SEMA for the Ford Bronco. A lot of amazing options and of course accessories to go with those bumpers. If you have questions about the products in this video, the links are in the description. You can reach us toll free or you can hit us up on live chat at motoroso.com. Thanks for watching.